Roll-up garage doors are a popular choice for residential and commercial spaces. But how much do they cost? Let's break it down. The price of a roll-up garage door depends on factors like material, insulation, and size. Steel roll-up doors are highly durable and cost-effective, starting around $500 for basic models. Aluminum doors, on the other hand, are lighter but often pricier, with prices ranging from $700 to $1,500. If you're looking for better energy efficiency, consider insulated roll-up doors, which start at $1,000 and go up depending on the level of insulation. Don't forget installation costs. Professional garage door installation typically adds $300 to $1,000, depending on your location and door specifications. For those wanting a custom design or larger commercial-sized doors, prices can go even higher. To keep your roll-up door working smoothly, plan for regular maintenance costs for components like springs and tracks. So whether you're on a budget or ready to splurge on a premium model, there's a roll-up garage door to fit your needs.